Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get 2024 music recap playlist on YouTube from your PC or laptop. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit the youtube.com on your computer or your laptop. And once you have opened youtube.com, you can click on these three lines on the top left, and then you're going to scroll down until you find YouTube Music. Okay, and this YouTube Music, you can scroll down until you find the recaps. Just keep scrolling down until you find this recap playlist, and this is my 2024 recap playlist, and I'm going to open it. Okay, and these are the songs in this playlist, and if you want to play your playlist, you just need to click on the play button. Okay, then this playlist is private only for you, so only you who can access this playlist on the YouTube Music. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get 2024 music recap playlist on YouTube. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.